Next time you're trapped in an airport, nose to glass with a $20 sandwich and an $8 bottle of water, remember this: airports are built to bleed you dry. But I'm here to help you flip the script, keep your cash, and still eat better than that sad reheated pizza slice taunting you from behind the counter. Let's get real. Airports thrive on convenience and desperation. You're tired, hungry, and stuck behind security, so you'll pay double for stale fries. But the secret to beating airport food prices starts way before you even pull out your suitcase. Smart flyers treat the airport like a tactical obstacle course. It begins at home-packed snacks that breeze through TSA like trail mix, granola bars, or even a simple sandwich. Just skip the sauces to keep things tidy. And the real power move? An empty reusable water bottle. Slip it into your bag, glide through security, and fill it at a fountain or bottle station. Boom, no more $5 water traps. Now, if you want to level up, don't just settle for what's right by your gate. Bigger airports are hiding little gems. Mini markets, lounges with buffet spreads, and even cafes with loyalty programs. But you gotta plan ahead. Take 5 minutes to check your airport's terminal map online. You might spot a healthy salad bar near gate C23 or a sandwich shop that's charging street prices, not airport prices. Sometimes, just walking over to the next terminal can save you a small fortune and score you a fresher meal. Here's another hack. Some airlines let you pre-order meals for pickup after security. That means you pay what you'd pay outside, not the inflated airport markup. And don't sleep on airport lounges. Even if you're not flying first class, certain credit cards, day passes, or frequent flyer perks can get you in. Imagine, you pay less than you would for a single meal at the food court, and you get Wi-Fi, comfy chairs, and all-you-can-eat snacks. If lounges aren't your thing, local supermarkets near the airport can be your best friend. Swing by on your way, grab a deli sandwich or some cut fruit, and carry it right through security. TSA allows solid foods, so a snack bag is your financial shield. And here's a little-known tip. Some flights let you bring food from the public area, so buying before you pass security can be way cheaper. Keep an eye out for vending machines, too. They're often hidden in quiet hallways and sometimes have the best deals on snacks and drinks. And timing matters. Morning and late-night flights mean fewer food choices and higher prices. Shoot for midday or early evening if you can, and you'll find better options. On the plane, skip the snack box. Those tiny crackers and sad cheese cubes aren't worth it. Pack your own and eat like a champ. Airports are designed to tempt you into overpaying for the basics. Outsmarting those traps isn't about starving or settling for bland food. It's about planning, packing, and navigating with a little extra savvy. Next time you fly, you'll keep your money and your stomach happy. No $20 sandwich required.